After 2 years of remote learning, the Back to School 22 season, anticipated to be the biggest shopping event, was finally back. KidStation Asia, one of the largest retail chains for children in Indonesia, with over 120 stores, offering a wide range of globally recognized brands, including Lego, Smiggle, Hot Wheels, and many others, was having an impressive presence in the offline market, but KidStation had not yet managed to generate similar growth online. Moreover, KidStation Asia range of school supplies remained unknown to most, which accounted for less than 20% of sales. Our primary objective was to strategically position KidStation Asia as a trusted source for school supplies and drive online sales growth by leveraging the perfect opportunity the 2022 back to the school shopping season. Recognizing the importance of offering products that resonated with the target audience, KidStation focused on Smiggle, a well-known global brand with appealing products such as backpacks, bottles, lunch boxes, and stationery. We crafted compelling messages and incentives that appeared across various media channels and engaged with loyal followers through Instagram and TikTok contests to generate content as social proof. The strategic use of paid marketing campaigns across social and search, SEO and SEM, further directed potential customers down the funnel. In order to expand its customer base, KidStation tapped into existing high-purchase intent audiences on online marketplaces like Shopee and Zalora. This approach generated incremental sales and complemented their direct-to-consumer (D2C) efforts. KidStation made use of its strong offline presence and included initiatives such as QR codes in offline stores and first-time online purchase vouchers, increased assortment and fulfillment capability using offline inventory, and customer acquisition using first-party audience data. D2C and marketplaces sales grew by 186%, 311% sales growth from new visitors on D2C. Sales contribution from school supplies increased from 19% to 58%. Digital sales fulfilled from offline stores increased from 16% to 68%. Thus, KidStation Asia continues using the omni-channel approach, and the chain's school supplies brands remain the highest contributor to sales to date.